Welcome. In this video I will show you how to get your cursor back on the screen if your touchpad isn't working on LENOVO Ideapad C340 laptop. So the first thing to check is if your touchpad is enabling when you're pressing the F9 button and clicking the F6 button. So just do that and check if the cursor is working or not. If the touchpad is working, I'm sorry. And if it did, then that's great. That's all for you. But if it didn't, then you'll have to go through some other steps. The first thing I have to say is that your laptop has a touch screen, so you can easily navigate through it using just your fingers. But if your touchpad isn't working and you don't have an external mouse, you still can use your keyboard to navigate. To enter a startup menu, use the Windows key in the bottom left corner of your keyboard, and to navigate, use Tab and arrow buttons to move through the settings. Now to select, press Enter, and right now we want to select Settings. Now once we enter Settings, press Tab and scroll down using arrows to Bluetooth and Devices. Now press Tab a couple more times to scroll to the options, and then use arrows to move down to the touchpad. And here we can either enable or disable our touchpad by pressing Enter. I think I should let me just select and let me just return to the toggle. Okay, use spacebar. I'm sorry, you have to use spacebar to either enable or disable touchpad. But if this also didn't work for you, then the other option to consider is I just pressed Alt F4 to close the tab, and the other option is to open the startup menu, then type in Device Manager, and then right here using Tab and arrow buttons, scroll down to the Human Interface Device, expand it. I used the right arrow button to expand it. Now scroll down until you see the touchpad. Press Enter to go here. Now from here you'll have to go to the driver. Now once you have selected driver, excuse me, I just closed it. Now it's pretty tricky. Okay, once you select the driver, press Tab, then go to press Tab once again, and right here you can disable your device. To do that, press Enter, and then Confirm, and then enable your device once again. And if this still doesn't work for you, then what you can do is you can uninstall your device completely. So just select the uninstall device, and it will reinstall once you restart your computer. So select uninstall, confirm using spacebar, and right now what you have to do is that you have to close this tab and press Alt F4 and select to shut down your computer, or rather restart your computer. That would be more convenient. Okay, let's press Enter and wait for our computer to restart. Now once it is restarted, let's log back in to our account and check if the cursor is working. So as you can see, I got my cursor back on the screen and it's working. I hope it does too for you. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below.